So guys, for the first step, you want to get into this screen. Now to get here, you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times. So you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on. As soon as it turns on, turn it off again and then turn it back on again. Repeat this 3 times, and then on the 4th time when you turn your computer on, it's going to take you into this screen. It's going to say that your PC did not start correctly. You want to click on Advanced Options. And then once you're on this, I'm going to be showing you 5 different methods on how you can fix this problem. So for the first method, you're going to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then we're going to go with Startup Repair. If you do not see Startup Repair, you're going to click on Seam Recovery Options. Then it should appear right here. So you're going to click on Startup Repair. Wait for this to load. Now hopefully this will fix your problem, but if not, for the second method, we're going to click on Advanced Options. Now we're going to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options again. Now we're going to go with System Restore. If you have a restore point enabled in your computer, then you want to click on Next and then go back to your restore point. Hopefully this will now fix your problem. If not, we're going to click on Cancel. And now for the next method, we're going to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Command Prompt. Now once you're on this, we're going to type in bootrec space / fix mbr. Click on Enter. And now we're going to type in bootrec space / fix boot. Click on Enter again. If you get access is denied, just ignore it. Now we're going to type in bootrec space / rebuild bcd. Click on Enter again. Wait for this to load. Now once that's been done, we're going to type in sfc space / scan now, and then click on Enter again. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. Now once you've done that, we're going to close out of this. Now you just want to continue to Windows, and then the problem should be fixed. If the problem is still not fixed though, you want to come back to this screen like I showed you to do at the start of the video. Now you want to click on Troubleshoot, and then reset this PC. If you don't have your files backed up, you can go with Keep My Files. If you do have your files backed up, you can go with Remove Everything. Reset your computer. This should now fix your problem.